Hi children, welcome back to our DL educational channel. Today mathematics class 9th polynomials chapter introduction of polynomials. First introduction algebra. In the algebra we use some letters A, B, C or P, Q, R, S or X, Y, Z. So these kind of letters are variables or literals. Then constant. A symbol with a fixed numerical value in all situations is called constant. What is the constant? Constant is a numbers, digits. These digits are a fixed numerical value in all situations is called a constant. 3, 7, 2 by 5, 3 by 8 examples. Fixed numerical means the value of digits is not changed. In any situation that is not changed, there is constant value. So these kind of digits are constant. Next one is variable. A symbol whose value changes with the situation is called a variable. For example, XYZ, PQR, ABC, PQR, XYZ, like that. Such letters are variables. These variables are the changes according to the situation. According to the situation, the values are changes. For example, the x value of one time 6 and the next other time the value of 5, the value of x is 10, the value of x is 9. So the values are changes according to the situation. Different situations, different values are there. Then those are variables. Constant are only digits. There is no value change of digits. Variable is according to the situation, there is the value of changes. Next one is term. Term. A term is a constant or variable or product or quotient of constant and variable. What is the term? The term is constant, or constant means 3, 5, 7, 8, those are constant numbers. And variables. What are the variables? Alphabetical symbols. Those are variables. And product of quotient. Product of constant and variable. Product of constant and variable. Constant 4, variable x, 4x. This is the product. Product of constant and variable. 3x, 4y, 3z, 8x. So these are all product of constant and variable. And here quotient. What is the quotient? One number is divided by another number. We get some answer, that is the quotient. So here the quotient of constant by variable. Constant by variable. Here also the quotient of 6 by y. So these are all called terms. Let us go to the product. What is the product? The product is the result of the multiplication of two or more constants or literals or both. What is the product? Product means multiply more than 2. Then we get the answer, that is product. For example, 5, 6 are 30. 5 and 6 are factors. 30 is product. 7, 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 and 5 factors. 35 is the product. 8 4s are 32. 8 and 4 are factors. 32 is product. So 5 is factor of 30 or 6 is factor of 30. Here 7 and 5 are factors of 35. 8 and 4 are factors of 32. So here also an example, 6x cube. We can write the 6 into x into x into x. So these are factors 6, x, x, x. These are all factors. These factors multiply, then we get the product is 6x cube. Then here 4 into x into y into z. These are multiply, we get it answer 4xyz. So this is product. These are all factors. These are factors. These are products. And coefficient. What is the coefficient? Any factor or group of product is known as the coefficient of the remaining factors. So 5ABC, this is one term. So 5 into A into B into C. In this 4 factors are there. 5, A, B, C. These are 4 factors. In this one factor is the factor of remaining. In this group, 1 is factor of remaining. So 5 is coefficient. 5 is coefficient of ABC. 5 is coefficient. Remaining what are they? ABC. 5 is coefficient ABC. A is coefficient. Remaining what are they? 5BC. 5BC. B is coefficient. Remaining 5AC. So C is coefficient. What are they remaining? 5AB. So C is coefficient of 5AB. 1 is factor of remaining is factors of 1 is coefficient of remaining in that group. C is coefficient of 5AB. B is coefficient of 5AC. A is coefficient of 5BC. 1 is coefficient of remaining factors. So this is the coefficient. Now we learnt about constant, variable, term, product, coefficient. What is constant? Constant are numbers. Numbers 5, 6, 7, 3 by 2, 4 by 8, 9 by 6. These are constant, no change. The value of no changed any time, any situation. So variable all always change the situation. Different situation, different values are given the variables. Term is constant of variable or constant or variable or both of constant and variable or quotient of variable and constant. And product means more than two various or symbols. Numbers. Product of numbers are literals. Coefficient means one number is coefficient of remaining of the factors of the group. Okay. Next are, let us go to the terms. Different kinds of terms. What are they? Like terms and unlike terms. The terms having the same literals coefficient are called like terms. They are differ only in their numerical coefficient. In this like terms means the literals are same and numericals or numbers are different are there, but literals are same. 3x, 8x, 9x, 10x. In this all literals are x, x, x. So different numerical are there. Here example 2xy, 4xy, 5xy. In this xy, xy, xy. 3 are like terms. 3 are like literals. So these are like terms. Like terms. Literals are same are called like terms. Unlike terms, the terms that do not have the same literal coefficients are called unlike terms. Different terms 2x 5y 3z. Here different terms, literals not same. Here x, here y, here z, not same. In this like there are same x, here xy, xy. But here literals are different. Here x, y, here z. Here x, 2x, xy. Here x, y, z. Different literals are there, that is unlike fractions. Same literals are there, those are like terms. Like terms same, unlike terms different literals. Okay, thank you, welcome.